Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about swapping the Cylum Finance token. I know this is kind of a big question that people are trying to find a way to sort, because most of us have the Cylum Finance and our liquidity is locked. We cannot actually exchange that Cylum Finance token into real cash. Now in this video I will show you a simple trick on how to do this. Actually, there's no straight up way to do this. You would have to follow through some funny protocols. Let me put it that way. Now I will be using a platform that is a buy chain protocol. It allows for swapping between two chains. For now, I think they are just running between BSC and then the Ether chain. To do this, first we'll have to navigate to roygaySwap.online, and that's the URL for the protocol, roygaySwap.online. Now, once you are here, it's actually let me see if we can read more. Swap and vote more, hundreds of DeFi app integration and tool builds. Now this is actually a DEX that enables you to do the traditional swapping and other smart contract transactions in your wallet, and they also have a web-based wallet. Now in order to do all we need to do on this video, all you just need to do is click on the connect web wallet, and then you'll be given two choices. The first choice will be to create a new wallet, and the other will be to log in an already existing wallet. For this video, I'll be logging in my already existing wallet because that is where I have my Cylum Finance inside. You could do the same, or you could create a new wallet and then send your Cylum Finance into it and then swap it. Whatever you want to do, you are free to. So let me proceed. And so click on the I already have a wallet. I'll be prompted to fill in any authentication document that I have. Now the first one, which is the default, should be the seed phrase. You could do the key store, or you could do the private key. And for me, I'll be doing the seed phrase, and I'll be going to get my seed phrase. Sorry, I would blank this screen because I do not want anybody to see what I have as my seed phrase. I already copied it out. I would also show you guys how to get your seed phrase from your trust wallet. Probably I'll do it on a different video and post it on my channel. Let's go back to the website. Now all you just have to do here is paste in your seed phrase and then click on the imports. Now this is going to take some time to sync your wallet, get your history, get your balance, and do all the necessary things that are needed on your wallet, that are needed to interact with your wallet. Well, now we have successfully logged into our wallet. We've synced it with the web wallet on roygaySwap. The next thing to do is to click on the launch app. Now once you click on the launch app, you get into the DEX interface. Now on this page is where you would do the swapping. Now let me explain what really happens here. Now most of these projects that you see value on in your trust wallet or whatever wallet you're connected to, you see value inside of them, but you cannot change them to other tokens or actually own values from them. What really happens is the moderators of this project actually have the liquidity, which is all the money that comes into that project, locked. Sometimes it's for some good reasons and sometimes it's not for good reasons. I cannot tell what the makers of Cylum Finance have in mind, but I can tell you how to bring out your locked liquidity if you have the mindset of probably removing some of your money inside of it, probably for one reason or the other. Now in order to do this, all we just have to do is go to bscscan.com. Do not worry, all the links provided in the video will also be provided in the description below. Just check it out and you will see the links that I'm using on the video. So the next thing we have to do is click on the search input box and then type in Cylum. Now once we have Cylum, click on it and it opens the Cylum profile page. All we just have to do here is copy the contract address. Now once that is done, we come back to Roige Swap. Make sure you change the current active network from Ethereum to BSC to a smart chain rather, and this is because the Cylum Finance is hosted on the Binance Smart Chain network and not on the Ethereum network. So now what you do is, once you've done that, you come here, paste the contract address. Once that is done, you'll see the Cylum Finance popped up. Then click on the import to import the Cylum Finance. Now the next thing you have to do is click on the toggle, the asset toggle button, and then input the amount of Cylum Finance token you want to swap. And this could be, say, maybe for this video I'll probably do 200,000 Cylum Finance token, and that would yield me 1.11. I do not want to swap all of my Cylum tokens because right now I feel like I have the power to take out my liquidity whenever I want to, and I kind of feel like this project could still do something. Don't quote me on that, I'm not very sure. I'm not very sure about that, but I'm just hoping. I got it pretty early, so I already right now I'm making gains already. So you can see from the description down here I have $147 worth of gas, and that is not too bad for this kind of transaction. And having in mind that this is a cross-chain transaction, there will be a lot of jobs done on the smart contract, and this is going to cost a lot of gas fee. So this is even fair. So the next thing to do is just click on the swap. Now this is going to check your transactions and process them and then approve if everything sits fine. This is if you have enough gas fee and you have enough Cylum Finance to swap. Now as you can see, this has been successfully swapped, so congratulations. You can see that my balance in Ethereum has changed and my balance in the Cylum Finance has also changed. Now congratulations, you've been able to change your Cylum Finance. If this video has been helpful to you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon to stay abreast on all new updates that we make on the channel. Until next time, I remain your guy, Jerry. Peace.